In this question, we have a machine which manufactures screws. Screw looks something like this. Now the machine manufactures these many screws in one day. We have to find the total screws it produced on January 2006. Now January has 31 days. Machine produces these many screws in one day. So it will produce 2825 into 31 screws in January. So we have to find that multiplication. Let's write it down. Number of screws manufactured per day is 2825. Number of days in January will be 31. So total screws produced in January are number of screws manufactured per day into total number of days. That is 2825 into 31. Let's find the multiplication. 2825 into 31 is something like this. We start from the right, go towards the left. So here 1 multiplies with all of these digits. So 1 into 5 will be 5, 1 into 2, 2, 1 into 8, 8, 1 into 2, 2. Now is the turn of 3. Now 3 has one digit towards its right. So we will add 1 cross here. Now 3 into 5 becomes 15. The 5 of 15 goes here. The 1 goes on top of 2. 3 into 2 becomes 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. So here we have 7. Now 3 into 8. 3 into 8 is 24. This 4 comes here. This 2 comes on top of 2. 3 into 2 is 6. 6 plus 2 is 8. So here we will have 8. Now our multiplication will be sum of these two numbers. So here 5 will come down because x has no meaning. So 5. 2 plus 5 is 7. 8 plus 7 is 15. 5 of 15 comes here. 1 goes on top of 2. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 4 is 7. And this 8 comes down. So our sum is this. So, sorry, our multiplication is this. Now we add a comma. After 3 digits, we add a comma. So number of screws produced are 87,575.